Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. Hope you all have done your homework that I gave you for the reading, that you have to read the chapter. Hope you all have read that. And I gave you to learn keywords of first and third chapter. Hope you all have done that. And you are safe at home. Now we are starting our class. So firstly I will tell you that we were doing chapter number 6, that is sense organs. And in the previous session I told you about the sense organs, that what are sense organs? The organs through which we get this information are known as sense organs. Organs means like sense organs are those organs जिनसे हमें कोई information मिलती है. Okay, so senses I told you about the 5 senses. That was sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of touch, and sense of one is left, that was sense of touch and sense of taste. Yes, last one was sense of taste. So these were 5 senses, and 5 organs was eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 organs and there are 5 senses. And I told you about the one organ, that is eye. I told you about the eye, like eye is like a camera. Eye works like a camera. Camera की तरह काम करती है. What is the working of eye? Eye means organ of sight, जिससे हम देख सकते. It helps us to see the objects. And working of the eye is like an object is in front of the eye. Eye की front में कोई object है हमारे पास. An image is formed inside the eye. Eye के अंदर हमारी उस जो भी object देखते हैं उसकी image बन जाती है. The nerves in the eyes then send messages to brain, and the brain reads messages and enables us to see the object. That I told you about the eye, and I told you how to take care of eye. So you have to take care of your eye. Don't rub your eyes with the dirty hands. Wash your eyes several times, and do not read in dim or bright light, and always sit up while reading or writing. Okay, so these were some like tips for taking care of eye. Now in today's session, what we are going to learn our other 2 sense organs. Means total 5 sense organs are there, but in this session we are talking about only ear and nose. So ear is the sense of hearing. Ear is sense of hearing, and nose is sense of smell. Nose is sense of smell. So now we are going to talk about these topics, and you keep your book open so that you आप अच्छे से साथ साथ read भी करते जाएं and आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा. Then firstly here we are talking about ear, that is organ of hearing. Organ of hearing. Now ear. What are the functions of ear? Ear, like our ear help us to hear sound produced by objects. Help us to hear sound produced by objects. So there are 2 types of sounds. 2 types of sounds are there. One is pleasant sound and the another is unpleasant sound. So what is pleasant sound and what is unpleasant sound, that I will tell you. Like some sounds are pleasant to hear, such as soft music. Soft music होता है वो pleasant होता है, such as chirping of birds, humming of birds. These sounds are pleasant sounds. Now what are unpleasant sounds? So some sounds such as noise of the traffic, okay, and loud music, noise of traffic, loud music, these are the unpleasant sounds. So students, what you have to do, you have to listen it carefully and you have read this chapter already. So आपको अच्छे से जल्दी समझ आ जाएगा that हम की sound किस तरह की होती है. एक तो होती है pleasant और एक होती है unpleasant. So noise of traffic and loud music, it hurts our ears. That sound is unpleasant. And pleasant like chirping of birds and some soft music, these are pleasant sounds. Okay, and you know, in our ear there are three parts. First is outer ear, second is middle ear, then last is inner ear. So the outer ear, what is the work of outer ear? Outer ear collects sound from surrounding. Collects the sound from surrounding. हमारे आसपास की सारी sounds को कौन collect करता है? हमारा outer ear. This outer ear collects all the sounds from the surroundings. Then what is the work of middle ear? Now middle ear, which we cannot see, middle ear is, it takes the sound waves and turns them into vibrations. It takes the sound waves. अब जो sound उसने ली, sound waves को किस में turn कर रहा है? Vibrations में. Turns them into vibrations and then send it to the inner ear. फिर वो vibration किसको दे देता है? Inner ear को. Okay, and then this vibration reaches to the brain, and brain helps us to know the softness and loudness of the sound we are hearing. हम जो भी वॉइस सुन रहे हैं, चाहे वो सॉफ्ट है, चाहे वो लाउड है, प्लेजेंट है या अनप्लेजेंट है, वो हमें कौन बताता है? ब्रेन. ब्रेन हेल्प्स अस टू नो सॉफ्टनेस एंड लाउडनेस ऑफ द साउंड वी आर hearing. So that was the working of ear. I'm again repeating the working of ear. See, the first step is outer ear catches sound from the surroundings and sends them to the middle ear. Middle ear now collect the waves, sound waves, and then change into the vibration. Vibrations then goes to the inner ear. Now nerves in the inner ear, it sends message to the brain. अब इसने किसको मैसेज दिया? इसने ब्रेन को मैसेज दिया. Right? Inner ear gives the message to brain. The brain reads the messages and enable us to hear any sound. Okay, like it is pleasant sound or unpleasant sound. So this was about the ear and its working. Now how can we take care of the ear? हम ईयर की केयर कैसे कर सकते हैं? Now we will learn about that. So, care of ear. How can you take care of the ear? So, never insert any pointed object into your ear. कभी भी कोई तीखी चीज को अपने ईयर में मत लगाएं. And clean your outer ear with a clean cloth. And the second is like never hit people on the ear. Never hit people on their ear. कभी भी ear पे hit ना करें. Okay, these are the 3 tips to care for your ear. Now we'll tell you about next is nose. Next organ is nose, that is organ of smell. That is organ of smell. Now we will talk about nose. So nose is the organ of smell. It helps us to smell things. It helps us to smell things. कोई भी चीज को smell करने के लिए हम किसकी help लेते हैं? Our nose. Our nose. So some smells are again here. Some smells are pleasant and some are unpleasant. Some smells are pleasant and some are unpleasant. Now, see, pleasant, like smells are present such as smell of rose. Smell of rose is pleasant smell. And if we are talking about unpleasant smell, so unpleasant smell such as foul smell of garbage. बहुत दिनों से जो गार्बेज इकट्ठा हो जाता है, that smell is unpleasant. Okay, so now I will tell you about the working of ear, that how our nose works. So how many types of smells I told you? That one is pleasant smell and one is unpleasant smell. Pleasant smell is the smell of rose and unpleasant, that is smell of foul of garbage. Okay, foul smell of garbage. So what is the working of the nose? Smell of perfume. Firstly, the smell of anything that reaches the nose. कहाँ जाती है? नोज के पास गई सबसे पहले किसी भी चीज की स्मेल. The nerves in the nose then send messages to brain. Second step is nerve in the nose. जो हमारी नोज के अंदर nerves हैं, they send message to brain. This is our brain. कहाँ मैसेज दिया उन्होंने? ब्रेन को. नाउ ब्रेन हेल्प्स अस टू नो अबाउट प्लेजेंट एंड अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल. अब वो हमें बताएगा ब्रेन कि वो प्लेजेंट स्मेल है या अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर नोज. कैसे हमें अपने नोज की केयर करनी चाहिए? Cover your nose if you are in dirty area. Always cover your nose if you are in dirty area. Keep your nose clean. हमेशा अपनी nose को clean करें with the wipe or with the clean cloth. And do not pick your nose with any sharp object. किसी भी sharp object से अपनी nose को pick न करें. Do not use a dirty handkerchief to blow your nose. अगर आपको cold है तो never use your dirty handkerchief. Always use a fresh handkerchief. So if you are using any dirty handkerchief, it causes infection. So this is how we can take care of our eye. How we can take care of our nose. How we can take care of our ears. So we have left with 2 organs like tongue and another is skin. So about this I will tell you in the next session. जब भी हम next session में मिलेंगे we will talk about this. So that is all for today and hope you all enjoyed this video. What you have to do is you have to read this again. अभी मैंने आपको अच्छे से समझा दिया है. अब आप रीड करेंगे आपको अच्छे से और अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.